Sure, merong letter, support letter si Sara kay Senate President. Nagsabi na hinihiling niya na sagutin daw ng Senate yung pagkain at yung ng staff and legal team. Can you confirm that at kung pinayagan ba?
I cannot, well, I can confirm na wala namang pinapayagan yata na ganun as far as I know, but I cannot dwell on the details kasi that is an OVP letter and the defense team has no participation in that letter. So baka best directed to the Office of the Vice President kasi di naman kami kasama dun sa pagpupulong at wala kaming any participation pagdating doon. So again, I'm sorry. I wish I could give you more details pero hindi kasi talaga ako naging involved doon.
Kaya may sulat na ganun si VP, sir, para ba sa security nyo or
Well, perhaps concern definitely for the defense team, hindi ba? But as to kung ano yung mga detalye talaga na napag-usapan kasi as far as I understand it, nagkaroon ng pagpupulong, I think, between Secretary Bantug and the OVP. I'm not sure. Maybe you can confirm that. Yun lang yung nakita ko sa balita. And nung prior to an interview, I remember asking a staff of the OVP. I was not reaching out to Yusek Lopez because she was going to be a witness dapat kung natandaan nyo, last week, I think. So I was very cautious not to reach out to her kasi baka sabihin we're tampering with the witness, no? So, ang kinuusap ko was a staff and ang sabi lang sa akin was administrative yung naging pagpupulong and aside from that, wala na akong details kung napayagan or kung ano yung mga naging parameters ng pinag-usapan. So, probably either ask OVP or maybe Secretary Bantug.
Pero right now, okay naman yung food and beverage ninyo dyan sa panel mo.
Okay naman, but I don't know, I don't think it's being supplied by the Senate. Yun yung, ko.